Preparation. Special branch pipe. Liquid pipe insulation cover. Trachea insulation cover. Straight coupling. Fitting reducer. Straight coupling. Chamfer. 3M sandcloth. Depth gauge. Pipe cutter. Marker pen. Copper pipe. To cut the copper pipe by using pipe cutter. To remove burst both inner and outer tubes by using chamfer. To polish and clean copper tubes by using 3M sandcloth. To mark the insertion depth line on the adapter manifold by using a depth gauge. To insert into the branch tube by using the Z-push of the appropriate caliber. To mark the insertion depth line on the adapter copper tube by using a depth gauge. Insert the adapted copper tube into the Z-push. Place the branch pipe into the appropriate thermal insulation cotton. Window structure display.